Welcome to the Dashboard Overview. Your dashboard is the central hub for managing everything in Namkos Progress Bar. In this video, I'll walk you through every section of the dashboard so you know exactly where to find what you need. Let's dive in. At the very top of your dashboard, you'll find the plan usage banner. This is your at-a-glance view of your current subscription. On the left, you see your current plan name. This could be Launch for the free plan, Growth, Accelerate, or Enterprise. Next to it, you'll see your monthly view usage. This shows how many times your progress bars have been seen by customers this month. The visual progress bar fills up as you approach your monthly limit. When it's mostly empty, you have plenty of room. When it's nearly full, you might want to consider upgrading. On the right, you'll see when your monthly views reset. This happens automatically on the same day each month. If you're on a lower tier plan, you'll see an upgrade button. Clicking this takes you to the pricing plans page. Below the usage banner is the app status component. We covered this in detail in the previous video, but let me summarize. This component shows you whether your app is set up correctly. Green check marks mean everything is working. Yellow or red indicators mean action is needed. You can see the status of your app embed, promotions, components, discounts, and webhooks all in one place. Click the refresh button anytime to update these statuses with the latest information. If there's an issue, you'll often see a direct link to fix it, like Enable in Theme Editor or View Discounts. The main area of your dashboard is the promotions list. This is where you manage all your campaigns. If you haven't created any promotions yet, you'll see an empty state with a Create Promotion button. This is where we'll start in the next video. Once you have promotions, each one appears as a card. Let me show you what information each card displays. At the top, you see the promotion name along with a status badge showing whether it's published and live on your store or unpublished and inactive. Below the name, you'll see the key details in a row: the reward type, free shipping, percentage off, fixed amount off, or free gift, the goal amount customers need to reach, how many components are active out of the total, and the creation date. On the right side, you have action buttons: unpublish or publish to toggle the promotion, edit to modify settings, and delete to remove it. Click on a promotion to expand it and see the individual components: progress bar, product page, and cart page. Each component can be managed separately. Below your promotions, you'll find the Analytics section. It's titled Track Your Progress Bar Impact and Revenue Growth. The top row shows 4 metrics. Views tracks how many times your progress bars were seen this month. Add to carts counts products added from your recommendations. Revenue this month shows your total sales. These 3 include a percentage comparison versus last month so you can track trends. The 4th, added revenue, shows revenue from upsell product recommendations. That's when customers buy products suggested by your components, like the product page or cart page. The bottom row shows 3 overall metrics: conversion rate, the percentage of views that led to purchases; average order value, the average order amount when customers use your bar; total revenue, your all-time revenue. At the bottom, you'll see a quick summary line with your conversion rate and add to cart count at a glance. On the left side of your screen, you have the navigation menu. Namkos Progress Bar brings you back to this main screen from anywhere. On higher plans, you'll see Advanced Analytics for detailed performance data. Pricing Plans shows all available plans and lets you upgrade or manage your subscription. Clicking any of these instantly takes you to that section. The app remembers where you were, so you can easily navigate back. At the bottom of your dashboard, you'll find Support Resources. Need help and support connects you directly with our team. Click this if you have questions or issues. FAQ Guide takes you to frequently asked questions where you can find quick answers. Visit our website opens our main website, where you can learn more about features and see the full documentation. Our website has detailed documentation covering every feature. I recommend bookmarking it for reference. Occasionally, you'll see notification banners at the top of your dashboard. These might alert you when you're approaching your view limit, when a promotion needs review, or when there's a discount conflict. Pay attention to these notifications as they often require action. That's your complete dashboard overview. You now know where to find your plan usage, app status, promotions, stats, navigation, and support. In the next video, we'll create your first promotion and set up a goal. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.